This piriformis muscle has to be really engaged because this is the power as well as the foot to do the passe and the round. But what we do, because we are afraid, we do this. And then we won't reach our axis, and also the passe won't be strong enough because we've taken all the weight of the leg. Use that muscle, engage it, tighten it, press that foot, and now listen. The passe comes first. Not so much that I can really see it, but the passe comes before the turn. Just a split second, because that's where the momentum comes from.